So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smashers. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of Hyiplab latest version 5.0 investment website script. So viewers, in this video I will show you how you can make this website completely. First of all, I will give you the demo of this website and then we will make it on our hosting server. So be with us and watch this video till the end and you will easily know how you can make your own investment website like this by using Hyiplab 5.0 script. So this is my YouTube channel, so you can visit it out. So Script Smashers, this is my YouTube channel. You will find all type of website scripts videos over here, and if you need any type of website you will find here. And you can contact us on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp links are in description of the video. You can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram and you can buy this Hyiplab script if you want. If you need any other type of design, all type of designs are available. You can contact us and we will build this site for you. And if you need the complete website and app of this website, we will build that as well. So you can contact us and buy this script or website on a very reasonable price. So now viewers, let's start this video. So first of all, you can change each and everything that is on website that is changeable from admin panel. Here is about us section that is also completely changeable. These are the investment plans, so you can look at its details like return every hour, total profit of the on the plan, compounding interests are available, hold capital and reinvest features are there, staking pool options are there, and user can easily invest in these plans. Here are some other section why to choose Hyiplab. You can list if you want to change the details, you can change the asset well. So this is a profit calculator option, how Hyiplab works. This is frequently asked question section. This is about us section. You can list your testimonials. These are client members. You can list your client members from team members from admin panel. And users can also view the transactions. These are the top investor section. Get started. You will get 30 plus automatic payment gateways in this section. And here are ranking section, so you can list ranking of your users according to their investments. And you can also insert blogs on the website, and this is the footer section. Each and everything, logo, name of the website, everything is changeable, so you can change each and everything on the website. And you can also visit about, plan, blog, contact page separately as well. Now viewers, we will go to our user panel and we will see how users can use this website and how they can create account on the website. So I'm going to login page. So this is a user login page over here. So user can log in with Google account, Facebook, LinkedIn, MetaMask account, and here you can see there is a login page. So we already have an account, so we will register. We'll log into our account. But if you don't have an account, you must have to register on the website with details. So I will enter my existing details over here, and we'll just continue with our old details. So after entering your password, just fill the reCAPTCHA and click on login. So viewers, we have successfully logged into our website user panel. So this is the user dashboard of this website. So you can see notifications and 2 FA notifications over here. Here you can see your deposit balance, total interest balance, total investments, total deposits, total withdrawals, and referral earning as well. So you can refer people and earn as well. And you can see all your latest transactions in this field. Viewers, this is the investment section, so you can go to plan, and here you can invest in any of the plan you want to invest. So you can invest it from here using any of the gateway and your capital amount as well. So you can invest in any gateway from here. Here is my staking option, so you can invest in different staking plans. You can go to staking plan and invest your money in different type of staking plans. Here is pool plans. Similarly, you can invest in them. There is schedule. Here is a finance. So you can, if you want to deposit money on the website, you can deposit money on the website easily. So choose the gateway that you want to use for your deposit, enter your amount, and you can easily deposit using auto gateway or manual gateways. Here same is the case with withdraw. You can withdraw your money easily using any of the gateway. Here is transfer balance option that you will get, and you can transfer your balance from one account to another on the same website. Here you can view all your transactions over the website, and this is a referral section, so you will find your referral link over here, and when you will refer different people using this link, they will be appeared right here under your referral. Here are promotional tools that you can use, different ads, banners, etc. Here is accounts. You can change your profile settings from this section. So you can change your details, you can change your password, you can see your ranking, 2FA, you can generate support ticket, and this is the logout option. So this is all about the user panel of this Hyiplab website. Now we will go to admin panel and we will quickly explore the admin, and then we will go to our hosting and we will create this website. So I am going to log out and I am directly going to admin panel. So viewers, now we are on the admin login page of this Hyiplab website. Here we have to enter our username, and here we have to enter our password in order to log in, fill the reCAPTCHA, and when you click on login, it will log you into your user admin panel of this website. So we have successfully logged into our admin panel of this website, and you can see total users, total active users on website, email unverified user, total deposits, investments, withdrawals, and each and everything you can see over here on your dashboard over here. So if you need to see notification, you can see notification of latest investments over here, and here you can see some system settings and admin settings as well, and you can change your admin passwords and logouts. So this is the investment report option. So you can view all the investment report of your website. So you can see how amazing looking it is, and it's completely professional Hyip website that you can make for your business, and you can earn a lot of money through this website. So you can see latest deposits over here, and you can approve them or reject them from here. Go to details and you can approve it or reject the deposits of users, and you can see all your deposit related things. These are the withdrawal. You can make withdrawal methods and you can approve or reject the withdrawal requests of users, same like deposit. Here are users, so you can see all your active user, email unverified user, and other users. So we will go to details, and here you can log in as a user, you can ban the user, you can add or subtract balance from user. So this is how you can add, subtract balance, and you can verify the user's things. Here you can see all the support tickets of users, and here is the report section. So you can see all your transaction history over here. So login history, notification, and invest history. So from manage staking, you can make the staking plans. So you can see already staking plans are there. You can edit them as well, and if you want to add new plan, just you can easily simply create a plan from here. Similarly, you can make a pool plan from here. These are subscriber section, and this is system settings. So viewers, from general settings, basically you can change the name of website, you can change the site base color, secondary colors, currency. That is most amazing option over here. You can change the currency of the website as well. So currency symbol is changeable, time zone, balance transfer, and record display per items. So you can manage these things from here, and I'm going back. From logo and favicon, you can change the logo of your website from here. So you can easily select the logo and change it. So from system configuration, you can turn on off different settings of website like user registration, balance transfers, withdrawals on holiday, force secure password, KYC verifications, notifications, email settings, mobile verification settings, staking, MetaMask login options, and all these things are controllable from here. You can turn them on off from here. From plan manage, you can create plans on the website. So this is how you can create plans. You can see the existing plans and edit them. Now if you want to create your own plan, you can make this from here. So this is the manage time settings. So these are the time settings, and so let me show you manage plan section. So from here you can see the existing plans and you can manage the plans from here. So you can give the name, range or fixed plan you want to make, minimum investment, maximum investment. So if you keep it fixed, it will be only the amount, exact amount, percentage or fixed plan. And here you can select the time for how much hours you want, or day or year, lifetime or repeat, compounding interest you have to give or not. So you can select these features from here and you can make the plan from this section. So let me just go back, and from here you can manage the referral settings, you can manage user rankings, you can manage proportional tools, you can set up holiday settings. From manage templates, you will get many different templates over here, so you can see them, and you can use any of the template you want. So you can change template as well. And here are notification setting. From payment gateway settings, so you will see many automatic gateways like PayPal, Binance, Pair, PayPal, coin payments, all type of payments gateway are available. You can use them. And if you want to create manual gateway, you can click on add new and you can create any of your local manual gateway you want. Let me go back, and here you can create withdrawal methods, you can manage SEO, you can manage the front end settings. So let me show you how you can manage front end. So all front end section that I told you before are editable, so you can edit them from here. Suppose I want to edit banner section, so I can change image, I can change each and everything that is on banner. So everything is changeable on home page. So similarly, all these sections, why to choose as, all these sections are editable and changeable, so you can change them as well. So you can manage pages, KYC settings, social login, language. You can insert multiple languages on the website. You can manage extensions of live talk and other extensions. You can set crons, policy pages. You can turn on off maintenance mode, GDPR cookie, custom. You can add custom CSS, site maps, and robots at TXT. So viewers, this is all about the demo of this website. Now we will go to our hostinger, HPanel hosting, and we will just install it on our hosting. So now viewers, let's go and let's install this. But before moving towards the video, do like and subscribe to our channel. So viewers, first of all, you all must have to log into respective HPanel or cPanel that you are using. So currently I will host it on my HPanel because I am using hostinger, but if you are using any of other hosting, that is perfectly fine. You can host this script on any shared hosting. So we have to go to file manager. So I'm directly going to file manager option. So it is redirecting us on hostinger, and let's see. So we'll go to public HTML, and here I will install it on my subdomain. So you can see I've already uploaded the script. Now you must have to upload the script, so you have to go to this option and you have to upload the file that I gave you. After that, it will be appeared same like this, and viewers, to buy this script you can contact us and we will provide you this at a very reasonable price. So you don't need to worry about the price of this, and you will get this files folder here, and just copy all these files and move them to root directory. So I'm moving all of them to root directory. And viewers, if you buy from us, we will provide you complete support as well. Like if you need any type of support in installation, in any other thing, we will provide you support live on WhatsApp, so you don't need to worry about anything. Now I'm deleting the script from here, and we have to go to our domain. So here it is our domain, demo3.scriptsmasher.com. so I'm going to this domain. So viewers, this is how it appears. So now what you have to do is you have to go to I agree next step. So this is the next page. So here you have to fill all these requirements. So I'm going to core folder, and I'll just quickly assign all the permissions to these folders, and then we are good to go, and we will just create database and we will make our website easily. So it is a very simple procedure. It's a ready-made website, and you don't need to worry about installation. You just need a shared hosting and a domain, and you can easily create this investment website and control it from admin panel and run this website. So I'm going to logs here. So after that, viewers, what you have to do is you have to refresh your page from this section. So here all the requirements are passed. Now click on the next step. So this page has appeared. Now here you have to enter all your database credentials. So I'm quickly going to my main panel, and I will go to management option here, and we will just quickly create the database with name Hyiplab, and we'll create the password as well. So just click on create, and your database will be created successfully. Now this is our database name, so we will just quickly put all our details here, and database host, we will insert password over here, insert admin name, admin password, admin email. So now when I click on install, now it will. So viewers, our script has installed successfully, and now when I click on go to website and activate, it will activate our website. So viewers, our website is live and you can see it is deploying our script on the hosting. So here you can see that our script is live over here. So it has been successfully deployed on our domain name. So you can change the logo etc. from admin panel. So here you can see our website. So currently it is completely newly created website. You can see that demo3.scriptsmasher.com and it is deploying it on our website. So here you can see this completely newly created website is ready to use, and now you can log into the admin panel and you can use this website. And you can change this logo. You can insert your own logo from admin panel because it is newly created, and you can insert your own logo. So this is the user panel. So this is the user panel, and you can register your account and you can make your own Hyiplab website. So viewers, this is all about this website script. Now if you want to buy this script, contact us on WhatsApp and we will provide you the script. And if you need complete website with APK of the website, we also provide those services. And viewers, thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.